Hello everybody, Tech Gear Junkie here. How you doing this morning? Today I'm headed down south, trying to do another P.O.T.A activation. Our destination today is the Bosque del Apache Wildlife Refuge. About 30 miles further south than the last one I did, Sandhill. So join me, Tech Gear Junkie, as we head down and try to do another P.O.T.A activation. Maybe we'll see some birds. Let's go. Well, it's a good thing I brought my checkbook. Gotta love these pay stations. Well, good morning, everybody. We've made it to the wildlife refuge here. You can see behind me some wetlands and some ducks and such swimming around. How many square miles this place is? But all kinds of critters, all kinds of birds. Especially in the wintertime, we get all kinds of cranes, Sandhill cranes come down here. I probably picked the wrong time, but anyway, it's starting to green up. There's a few birds left, so I'll be trying to do a P.O.T.A activation from here. I'm just going to drive around the loop and see if I can find a good place to set up and I'll get some pictures of some birds and such if I see any cool ones. So join me, Greg, Tech Gear Junkie, and let's get this show on the road. Coming up on some critters. What the heck these are? Pigs? I think they are. Javelinas. A whole crap load of them. You pigs leave my truck alone. Well, I found me a trail here. I can park and hike in a little bit. I think that's what I'll do and operate. The camera on me a little better. I'm going to hike down through this area right through here to see a couple of benches. Set up and spot myself. I haven't even checked if I have a cell signal out here. Hopefully I do. Otherwise this might be a short trip. Seeing lots of cool looking birds. Those crazy pigs. Javelinas. Mountain lion country. Sheesh. I hope not. I don't know if I have enough stuff. I'm trying to do a P.O.T.A activation, make a video, and do bird watching at the same time. So, got my antenna, my radio, my ID 51A, and my camera, which I'm holding in the other hand. Not the GoPro camera, which is filming, but my DSLR. See if we see some other wildlife out here. Hopefully not mountain lions. This looks like a promising spot to set up. Nice bench, clear area. I don't think anybody's going to bother me out here. Good deal.
CQ, Parks on the air. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Park is K-0458. Kilo 4, Echo, Park to Park.
Echo station. Echo station. Please come again. November 4, Mexico Tango Echo. I have you about 444444.
Roger, roger. I have you a 5 and 757. My part is Kilo 3942, 3942, QSL.
Yeah, K3942, QSL. Mine is K-0458.
Copy the 0458. Thanks for the port to park and have fun with your activation. 7-3.
Thanks. Before I let you go, where is that park at?
I am in Middle Tennessee, Tango November.
Okay, thanks for Tennessee. Thanks for the contact, 73. This is Parks on the Air, Kilo Golf 5, Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Kilo 8 Hotel, Quebec. Good to talk to you again. I have you about a 5555.
Thank you very much. You're also 5555 into the state of Michigan, Mike, India.
Thanks for Michigan. Looks like we got good propagation today, 73.
With Zulu, Sierra Tango. 73 from Kilo 8 Hotel, Quebec.
Thank you, sir. Whiskey 8 Zulu Sierra Tango. I have you 5959.
59 Michigan, great signal, QSL.
I think I copied the 59. You're really loud, very clear. 73, and thanks for the contact.
Have a club call for you.
Okay, got the club call coming in.
Kilo 8, Papa Romeo Kilo, 59 Michigan.
Kilo 8 Papa Romeo Kilo. I have you 59.
Roger, roger, have fun, enjoy it.
Thank you, 73.
73.
Kilo Bravo 9 Tango Tango. I have you about a 3333.
Roger the 33, you're coming in about a 57, maybe 55 here in Wisconsin. My name is Ken, Kilo Echo November.
Okay, thanks, Ken. You came up that time. Probably about 55 now, so thanks for the contact, 73.
73, good luck with your activation.
This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Parks on the Air. Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey.
Kilo 8, Mike Hotel. Juliet, Tango Uniform.
Tango Uniform Station, stand by. Kilo 8 Mike Hotel, you're 59. Kilo 8 Mike Hotel, you're 5959.
You're about a 57 when your band is up and almost at the noise level when the band is down. So I'll give you 57 from Kilo 8 Mike Hotel, located in Michigan, QSL.
Copy the Michigan, and yeah, you're coming up and down, but got the 57, thank you. 73, thanks for the contact.
73, good luck.
Tango Juliet Station, please come again.
Kilo Delta 9, Juliet, Tango Uniform.
Kilo Delta 9, Juliet Tango Uniform, you're 5555.
Roger, roger, you're 55 into Southern Indiana, QSL.
Copy the Southern Indiana, and thanks for the contact, 73.
73, thank you. Alpha Delta 4 X-ray Tango.
Alpha Delta 4 X-ray Tango, copy 5555.
Roger, roger, you're 57 in Georgia, Golf Alpha.
Okay, thanks for Georgia. Looks like my propagation is all headed east, so. Okay, thanks for the contact, 73.
That's a 57 in Georgia. Thanks for the call.
Copy the 57, thank you. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Parks on the Air. Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey from the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge. Station calling. Try again, please. Whiskey Bravo 8 Charlie Papa Golf. I have you 3333. Whiskey Bravo 8 Charlie Papa Golf. I have you 333333.
Okay, QSL.
QSL, copy the Ohio. You're coming up and down too, so the band's jumping around. Thanks for the contact, 73s. Thank you. Just a few more to go. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Parked on the air. Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. Parked on the air. Station calling. Barely hear you. Barely hear you. Try again, please. Victor Echo 5 Yankee Alpha Kilo. I have you about a 3333. Okay, copy the 5-5 into Saskatchewan. Very good for a 10 watts. Thanks for the contact in 73. November 4 Echo X-ray, you're 5555. Thanks for the 4-4 in North Carolina, 73s, thanks for the contact. This is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey, Parks on the air.
Kilo Echo 8, India, Lima, Kilo.
Kilo Echo 8 station again.
Kilo Echo 8, India, Lima, Kilo. Gary in Michigan, and you're about a 5-8 here, over.
Okay, copy the 5-8, you're about a 5-9, 5-9. Okay, thanks Gary, 73s, and thanks for the contact. Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey, Parks on the air. Bravo India station coming in.
Kilo X-ray 4, Bravo India.
Kilo X-ray 4, Bravo India. You about a 5-8, 5-8.
Roger, you're a 5-9 into North Alabama.
Okay, copy the 5-9, you're very strong. Thanks for the contact, 73.
Thanks for the activation.
Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey, Parks on the air. November 5, Hotel Alpha, you're 444444. November 5, Hotel Alpha, you're 4444. Yeah, copy you, November 5 Hotel Alpha. You're pretty low, 4444, but I copy you in Louisiana, 73s, and thanks for the contact. Thanks a lot for making the effort to try to be in there. Thanks a lot, 73s, and have a good day. It's Kilo Golf 5, Oscar Charlie Whiskey, Parks on the air. I'm trying to get my...
Victor.
Whiskey 9, Alpha Victor, you're 5959.
QSL, you're a 3x3 into Wisconsin. Whiskey 9, Alpha Victor.
Okay, copy the 3333. Thanks for the contact.
Yeah, park to park.
Park to park, go ahead.
Yeah, this is Kilo Echo 9 Alpha Juliet. Kilo Echo 9 Alpha Juliet. You're strong 5x9, 5x9, and Kilo 4138. 4138. QSL?
That's a Kilo 413.
Kilo 4138. 4138. Roger?
Copy that. Kilo 4138. Yeah, you're about a 5555. Where's that park at? Okay, thank you. I copy that. And yeah, I'm in a wildlife habitat myself in New Mexico. So thanks for that park to park. That's great. And the 73s, thanks for the contact. good deal. I got the park activated. Easy peasy. Many contacts, no more than I needed. Everything was east of the Mississippi today, which I guess makes sense for 20 meters. That's where most of the propagation is going to go. I was hoping to get my Jerry nut buddies there, but I didn't hear any, unfortunately. That's all right. We'll do it again some other time. I'm going to go back to the truck. FYI, this place here, the Owl Bar and Cafe in San Antonio, New Mexico, has the best green chili cheeseburgers in the universe. Everybody mark it on your maps now. If you're ever down here this way, you gotta go check this place out. I'd go get one right now, but I don't have time.